Okay, so as far as our distributive property goes, we're going to use problem number 1 that we already know the answer to help us solve or help us learn how to use the distributive property. So I'm going to use my fact here, 9 times 7 equals 63, and I'm going to use this tape diagram to help me. Now the distributive property, its whole purpose is to make the numbers easier to work with. So I'm going to look at my tape diagram here, and I'm going to recognize that I am a lot more comfortable with smaller numbers than I am with a number like 9. So I'm going to go with maybe 5 times 7 because I know my 5's facts pretty well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to draw an imaginary line. There's my line. And then I have to decide, well, if this is 9, I already have my 5. What's left? I need 4. So I also need to solve 4 times 7. Okay, 5 times 7, as we know, if I count up 7 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 5 times 7 is 35. And over here I can use these 4, which would match this. I can use these 4 to help me figure out that 4 times 7 is 28. Now, am I done? How am I going to take this and get this answer? Pause the video and say it out loud. That's right, I am going to add these two together. Nice, okay. I know that 5 and 8 is 13, carry the 1. I know that 3 and 2 is 5, plus 1 more gives me 63. 9 times 7 is 63. If I break it down, 5 times 7 is 35, 4 times 7 is 28, 35 and 28 is 63. That is how we use the distributive property.